Breaking news, Santa's Naughty and Nice list has been released. On the nice list, Yuli Brock and Jalen helped decorate trees outside. Dyson, Paul, and Yuli helped make hot chocolate for the teachers. Spill the Tea girls, Maddie, Addie, and Paisley were caught stealing candy from babies. Naughty. Kylie, Faith, and Stormy left an empty pickle jar in the fridge and a mustard trail on the floor. Also naughty. Chauncey, Emily, and Abby sticking pictures of Chef Boyardee all over the school. Jordan and Aislinn smacking divas while chewing gum, all naughty. Miss Holman covers students when they fall asleep on the couch. Nice. Sarah and Bethany shaking soda cans. Naughty. And on the nice list, Gus, Hagen, and Digna inviting me to anchor this segment of BNN.
Welcome back to another show of Bluecat News Network. I'm Yuli Garza.
And I'm Brock Bolden.
We're so glad you tuned in.
Every year, Coleman lights up the town with some awesome decorations. Check out this montage by Kylie and Chauncey. Great job, guys. That sure did light up my day.
There's a certain gift every person remembers. Mine was when I got a pet hamster named Bob. Bethany found out yours as well.
Everyone has a favorite Christmas present that they have received in the past.
My favorite Christmas present as a child was a pink Barbie bicycle.
A Nintendo 3DS.
My favorite Christmas present as a child was this plastic stoplight I got when I was like 4. I would just stop and go, and it was amazing.
Well, when I was a kid, at Christmas I got the Spider-Man web shooter, and I used to attach it to my arm, and I used to just go around the house spraying people with it, and then they would get mad. So that's why it was my favorite toy.
My favorite Christmas present when I was a kid would have to be a pink motorized scooter that I got. I think I was 9.
My favorite Christmas present as a child was the Barbie dream house.
My favorite Christmas present as a child was my dad coming home from Afghanistan.
It's the time of the year when memories are made for a lifetime. I'm Hagen Hippo with BNN.
December is one of the best months for movie releases. Stormy found some of the most exciting movies coming up.
Blockbusters to watch with your family while away for the holidays. There's a new Mary Poppins out, starring Emily Blunt as Miss Poppins herself. Next on our list, Fantastic Beasts and the Crimes of Grindelwald, with your favorite characters back for round 2. Creed 2 is on its way, with Sylvester Stallone as Rocky, and Michael B. Jordan as Creed II. And last, but certainly not least, the brand new Grinch with Benedict Cumberbatch as the What himself. Go see these wonderful movies and warm up with your family over the long Christmas break. I'm Stormy Burchett with BNN.
Hey Brock, what do you call a pig with no legs?
What's that?
A groundhog. We had a reporter at the pig jackpot last weekend. Here's Chauncey.
Coleman recently hosted a jackpot pig show. Handlers and their animals came from all over Texas and beyond, and included several CHS students.
I am very devoted. Almost every day I go and work my pigs, mainly after school whenever I can. It's just I gotta get ready for the show. I name my pigs off of what breed they are, so like my Duroc, he is a Duroc, so that's what his name will be. After I'm done showing, they will go to a slaughterhouse where they will be cut up into meat and distributed everywhere.
I like showing pigs. I just try to do my best and go towards the judge and keep my head up, do my best I can to make my pig look good. I just keep working with them at my house, feed them out more, and try to go to a bigger show.
Coleman County FFA chapters helped with the show setup as everyone prepares for the top shows in Fort Worth and Houston in the next couple of months. I'm Chauncey Watson for BNN.
For those of you who missed it, here's Emily with the Christmas Parade.
Every year in Coleman, we have a Christmas parade downtown. Many people gather and watch as the holiday events begin. Santa Claus is surely coming, and it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I'm Emily Croft for BNN.
There were 2 cool events that went on last Sunday, the band concert and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory play. Here are the highlights.
Last weekend, 2 major events happened in the CHS auditorium, the Winter Band Concert and the performance of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Great job, band and theater. I'm Paul Rosales with BNN.
Good job, students. Now here's something truly amazing. Get a look at Sarah's Christmas movie mashup.
Santa?
What?
Don't forget the Grinch. I know he's mean and hairy and smelly. His hands might be cold and clammy. But I think he's actually kind of sweet.
Sweet!
I want an official Red Ryder Carbine Action 200 range ball air rifle.
Ah! Oh my God! Santa here? I know him. I know him.
No, sir. But sometimes seeing is believing. And sometimes the most real things in the world are the things we can't see.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Nice job. Now Dyson and Jalen with sports and Digna's weekend weather.
Welcome back to CSPN. I'm Dyson Sowers.
And I'm Jalen Holloway. Last week we hosted the Bluecat Classic Tournament. The boys' tournament results were inconclusive after the Saturday's games were canceled. However, we were able to win 2 out of our 4 games.
Cisco Lady Lobos won the tournament and broke the trophy 5 minutes after receiving it. The varsity girls had 1 victory in the tournament. Enjoy some highlights of the Coleman Bluecat basketball.
That's all for sports. I'm Jalen Holloway.
And I'm Dyson Sowers.
Ho ho ho, Blue Cats! Winter officially starts next week, and it's starting to look like it's 15 degrees and very snowy. Oh wait, this isn't Coleman. Today's high in the low 50s with a chilly north wind. Over the weekend we have a mix of sun and clouds, daytime highs in the low 60s and about 40 at night. A sneak peek to Christmas, right now we have a 1% chance of a white Christmas. It looks like Santa needs wheels on the sleigh. Christmas Day should be 65 and sunny, but things can change. And that's the weather. I'm Digna Diaz. Merry Christmas, Blue Cats.
Thank you, guys. Finals are coming up next week. Here are some helpful hints.
We're going to give you some helpful tips for getting ready for these tests. First, we advise you to get lots of rest the night before. Also, you need a good breakfast to fuel your brain. Dress in layers because you never know what the temperature is going to be here at Coleman High School. You will need at least 2 number 2 pencils with erasers. And don't be late.
Do you ever wonder what it's like to make your own Christmas present? Get some ideas from Jordan.
Christmas gifts can easily become expensive. With these easy DIY Christmas gifts, we've got you covered.
Start with your string or ribbon or tulle on the side of that you want to be seen. You're going to cross it like this, flip it over to the side that you like, and tie a bow. Super cute and easy DIY Christmas mugs. You're going to need a blank white mug and some oil-based Sharpie pen markers. Pick out a Christmas quote that you like and write it on the mug. And preheat the oven at 350 degrees and leave your mug in there for 1 hour. And those are 2 easy DIYs. I'm Jordan for BNN.
Do you think you remember all of Santa's reindeer? You probably don't. Here's Abby.
We all know Rudolph, but do y'all know Santa's other helpers?
Sure.
Dancer.
Prancer.
Vixen.
Comet.
Cupid.
Donner. And Vixen. Isn't it?
Vixen!
I think it's Vixen.
I already said Vixen.
Oh, you did?
Donner, Dancer, Prancer.
Oh, and then Rudolph.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's 13.
9 reindeer.
Names. Rudolph. Cupid. Vixen. Rudolph Jr. How many are there?
Rudolph, Prancer or Dancer, 1. Comet, no, not Cupid. No, wait, is he 1? I don't know.
All I know is Rudolph and Cupid.
Vixen, Dixon, Darius the Rudolph, and one named Captain Larry.
Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. Oh, and Rudolph.
Don't forget to hang your stockings. I'm Abigail Wyatt. Have a great Christmas.
Now it's time for America's pastime, Spill the Tea.
Hello, CHS. We're back on Spill the Tea. Christmas time is right around the corner.
And New Year's is coming up. That means New Year, new tea. Let's see what kind of traditions you guys have.
We have these grapes, and for the last 12 seconds of the countdown, when it becomes a new year, we eat the grapes and then wash it down with sparkling water.
Me and my family, we get together and we watch the ball drop.
If our dad's not home on New Year's, we would call him and tell him Happy New Year's.
This year, we decided to get a little festive and have a Christmas ambush for Coach Perez. Here's what we did.
Today, we will be doing a Christmas ambush to Miss Perez's room. We're very sneaky because she's not here at the moment. Okay, so let's do this thing.
Wow, that was wild.
Special delivery!
Oh my goodness! Look at how cute the little dog is.
Have a Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. I'm Yuli Garza.
And I'm Brock Bolden.
Bye.